dear students, today we will discuss about the internal structure of cell. If we observe a cell under a microscope, we will find out some important parts. They are cell membrane, nucleus and cytoplasm. In this video, we will discuss about cell membrane or plasma membrane. So, let us discuss about plasma membrane or cell membrane. Plasma membrane protects the inner components of cell just like how your skin protects the inner part of our body. Plasma membrane control the entry of material into the cell and exit of the material from the cell. This work like a check post between two different states. At the check post, checking of vehicle and verification of license is done. In the same way, cell membrane verifies the material and decide whether it allow or not. It permit only the selective material inside the cell. Plasma membrane is called selective permeable membrane because it allows the entry of selective material. Now let us discuss how the exchanges of material take place between the cell. The exchanges of gases take place between the cell and its surrounding, and this is happened by the help of diffusion. Here we can see the concentration of the oxygen outside is more as compared to the inside to cell. So what happened in this case? The nitrogen is go inside the cell because the diffusion means the concentration, the movement of gas molecule from high concentration to low concentration. Here the oxygen is more in outer environment as compared to cell. The inward and outward movement of water take place through a phenomena. The name of phenomena is osmosis. Here the water enter the cell. How? Because the concentration of water outside the cell is more as compared to inside the cell. So here also the movement of water molecule from high concentration to low concentration through osmosis process. Then how do the other molecule enter the cell? Diffusion osmosis is a very important phenomena by which water and gases go inside the cell. Let us see the composition of plasma membrane. Can we see the structure of plasma membrane through a compounds microscope? No. If we want to see cell membrane, it can be seen through the electron microscope only, and it is made by the help of lipid and proteins.